Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Work. What is that? This time actually is giving a different one. I don't see any shortcut keys here. You see, that is strange. Before, like when I look at this window, I have shortcut keys, right? And now there are no shortcut keys. That's weird.
Sri, can we point to that and capture the stop like we did the OK in the previous time?
Yeah, you can do that, but only thing is, so I have to stop the script. But that's not really strange. Before it gets, it's not consistent. Anyway, these kind of applications actually it gives different things. Let's try one more time and then see what happens. Okay, this time it gives now shortcut keys. Still it's running. Okay, so it's taking a while.
Sri, can we do skip and next go to next step?
But there is no point go to the next step, right? Because that particular object is disabled itself in the application. So it doesn't make sense to move to the next step.
Okay. Stop means script is going to stop. Retry means it doesn't go to any other step, right? You have to close this with what is it?
So you can stop the current script and probably you can restart it. So restart the current test.
From
First
starting,
first let us see like why it is hanging here so much time. It's not recognizing the error or what? Actually, it's not supposed to take this much time. Whew. Come on. Yeah, there is something wrong. Okay, let me wait. And let's try to run once again. Okay, I think it might work if you wait long, but what I suggest is you can try it on your system. Just create the same scenario. There's somehow like on my system it's hanging. You just try yourself and let me know if it works. Yes, this is strange, like why it's hanging that much time. Okay. Anyways, so there's no point, like it's hanging at this point. So you can try it yourself and let me know. Somehow it's not triggered on my. Okay.
see, we have to, that one you put in the comment, right? So, we doesn't, I think we could not put the comment. Sometimes the script is automatically disabled. In such case, maybe it goes to next step or something, right?
That's what I mentioned. Like, okay, what you do in the next step? Look at this particular button itself is enabled. Your application don't work, right? That's what you want to stop your script execution. Right?
That is, if you put comment in a sense, it's wrong. So it doesn't take that script, the particular line. If it doesn't take that particular line, means how can you go next step?
That's what you're saying. Go to the next step, but I am saying stop the script. So there is no point going to the next step.
Start the script in a sense, again we have to run from starting, right?
Either you can start from run, or you can skip this current test and then go to the next script in your batch file. You just fail the current test because that's the application issue, right?
Let's go to next record in the sense that is a little bit complicated. You have to skip lots of lines, I think. I don't. Okay.
What?
Go to next step in the next record, right? You are saying about go to next record in the sense. Go to next batch mode in the sense. Next record or something.
See, that script means what? It contains 100 scripts. In this particular script execution, your script is failed. Then you can take a decision whether in this scenario you want to fail the current test or you want to proceed to the next iteration in the test. Just you can take a decision accordingly. So if you are thinking like, okay, I can stop the current script execution because anyway, if this particular button is disabled, though you are entering all the correct data, that is application issue. There is no point executing the script. Instead, I proceed to the next script in my batch file. That's what first recovery scenario. What I will say is stop the current test, and then proceed to the next step in my script execution.
Okay, in that sense, so we have to stop that scenario and then go to next scenario. So we have to solve that scenario even though, anyway. Yeah. We have to, anyway, we have to stop that batch and means we have to stop that scenario and go to next scenario. So we not go to next scenario in the batch mode, right? So anyway, we have to solve that particular scenario.
That's what I mentioned. You have to stop the script. You have to stop the script and go to the next script in your batch file.
Yeah. So in a sense, you have to stop the all records, all iterations, right?
Stop the script means it's going to stop everything in the current test.
Okay.
Okay. You can try this object state yourself and just because somehow like it's hanging on my system. Okay, so that's about the scenarios. Any questions?
We have yesterday class like invalid verification time. Those, we have to compare error message to some other thing, like a data property of property name equal to data table of username you mentioned. So first record it's mistake on username. For second record the error is error indicates the password. So then after equal to what can we write in particular step?
What you do? After equal to what you're trying to get? What you're trying to compare?
Yeah, that's a compare.
Yeah, from where you're getting the data after equal to?
Getting the data in the sense
After equal to what you're writing? After equal to what did you write?
It shows after equal to, it shows error message. It doesn't open in the home page of OpenText.
Then I'm saying what did you write in your script after equal to? Can you look at your script?
Yeah.
Yeah. After equal to what did you write in your script?
Yeah, I don't know that one actually.
Hello?
I don't know what is the expected. I don't know what is what has to do.
Okay, you look at valid login. You look at valid login script. What did you write after after this.
Valid login. Okay, valid login in the sense after open page, I want to see the username is correctly displayed in the application.
Okay. In this case, what you're going to do?
In this case, it's an invalid login in the sense I want to see the error message.
Okay. Where you are getting the error message? Like, what is your expected result?
It's an error page, I think. Yeah. Okay. It's in the data table. It's error page or error message. Then,
This is the one you are expecting. Right.
okay.
So you are going to put data table dot value equal to the error message, the column. So that is going to compare whatever the application message displayed is equivalent to this message or not. If both are same, then you are going to pass your script.
Okay.
You are going to compare this. You are going to compare the application message with your Excel sheet message. If both the messages are same, then you are going to pass your script. Else you are going to fail it.
Okay, for second record means it takes automatically for loop, right?
Yeah,
For loop already we mentioned, I think, right?
correct.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, okay, see, thank you. But this is very confusing me. How can we do the expected?
Okay.
Thank you, Sri.
Okay. Okay. So any other questions?
See, I had another generic question here. Smart identification, what does it do on object repository? Does it, I think most of the time the default is true.
Yeah, basically like
But
we have to talk about that smart identification. It's basically like because I didn't talk about this stuff. So I'm going to talk about the object repository, how the QTP will recognize objects, and then what is the smart identification. That part I'm going to cover mostly in the next class. Okay. Smart identification is nothing but it's going to use, internally it's going to use the regular expressions kind of thing, but that is a built-in feature within QTP. So that part anyway, I'm going to explain, I will explain one scenario, how the QTP works, and when this smart identification triggers. Okay. So that's like something like you see, the object's properties are unique, then the QTP brings this smart identification. Then it's trying to identify a particular button uniquely, like using different properties and objects. How it works, let's see the scenario probably in the next class.
okay, thanks.
Okay. So you are comfortable with writing any scripts on this open tabs application? Like you just write a couple of scripts, okay? Like create accounts or create contacts. That way you will get better experience how to do the scripting. Okay.
Can you give us like a good scenario that we can work on and we can let you know tomorrow how it works and on that ASCAP program?
No, that's what here like you can create a script for this create account or you can develop any script. One second, let me open the application. So here, basically like the scenarios are, so you can use any of these modules. So let's see, create account anyway, like we worked a little bit today. Even I think the create contracts is also pretty much the same thing. Create contract. Yeah, this page also same thing. And then say for example here, you see, this is very typical thing actually. See the birth date, either you can enter the date like in this field, this is the format, right? Say month, date and year. So you can enter any date. Or you can also select the date from this calendar control. So this is called the calendar control. This is the typical part, like how you can select a particular date from this calendar. Even if you record, okay, so if I say new, and then if I record the script, so if I select the 10th, like the 10th May, then what's giving? You see, it says like, okay, click on that web table dot click, but it didn't say like where did you click, right? Whether you selected 10th date or 11th date or whatever it is. It always says just a click. It's a record, and then if I select say 16th, and then say 31st, it simply says click, right? Then how you know whether you clicked the 10th or 11th or 12th? So how you handle this? I want to click a certain date on that calendar.
Can you use the string function from the flight table that we chose a particular flight? Can we do something like that?
How you do that? So that's like if you spy this, if you spy an object, calendar button. Okay, so I'm going to spy it. So basically it gives the columns and the rows. Okay, the columns and the rows. So you can use this web table. Okay, you can use this web table. But anyway, there is the table name is itself is a question mark. That's why it will let you to recognize. That's a strange and weird thing. But you can use that table. Okay, the table itself is a question mark. So you can use it and then you can select like which one you want to do from this table. Can you do this? I want to select say, from this table say 10th. Date 10th in this calendar control. So can you do that? So that's basically the hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So basically, like what I'm saying is the same thing. Like instead of get cell data, you can do the click cell data. If you want to click on any particular cell. So even if you look at the script like the data table, right? So there is also a method called click cell data. Okay, it's not click cell data. I think it's click cell or something. So right, once you get the row and column where you want to click, then you can click on that cell. What is this middle click off? Okay. So basically, like you can use this click. You can click on a particular cell once you get the column and the row. So I'm giving this an exercise for you people to explore, and then let me know like whether you're able to do that.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.